You just stepped out of a relaxing shower, and there it is. Bright pink foundation, black mascara, all smeared across your once perfect white towel. Feels hopeless, right? But what if I told you that towel isn't ruined? That there's a way to bring it back to life, good as new? Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe, because today we're not just removing stains, we're rescuing your favorites. There's something special about white towels, clean, pure, luxurious. They make you feel like you're in a five-star hotel, even if you're just in your tiny apartment bathroom. But then it happens. A smudge of foundation, a streak of eyeliner, or that lip gloss you forgot you were wearing. You didn't mean to ruin it, but now you're staring at a mess. And the worst part? The guilt. You consider hiding it behind darker towels, or maybe throwing it out altogether. But deep down, you wish someone had just told you what to do in that moment. Step 1. Act fast. The clock is ticking. Here's the truth. The faster you act, the better your chances. Makeup, especially waterproof or oil-based, settles into cotton fibers like a bad memory. So the moment you spot the stain, don't toss it in the laundry bin. Grab it, treat it, save it. Because once it sets, even bleach might not help. Step 2. Pre-treat with dish soap or makeup remover. Yes, dish soap. Why? Because makeup is oily. Dish soap is designed to break down grease. Apply a few drops of clear, dye-free dish soap directly onto the stain. Rub gently with your fingers, or a soft brush in circular motion. Already seeing color lift? That's a good sign. No dish soap? Use a micellar water-based makeup remover, the kind you'd use on your face. It's gentle yet effective. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Patience here pays off. Step 3. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide magic. Here's where things get dramatic, in the best way. Make a simple paste using 2 tablespoons baking soda, 1 tablespoon hydrogen peroxide, 1 drop of dish soap, mix. Spread it over the stain. Use an old toothbrush to gently scrub. Watch as the towel starts to look brighter, almost like the stain is dissolving into the air. Let this sit for another 15 minutes. You've just created a powerful, chemical-free stain remover. Simple ingredients, but powerful results. Step 4. Wash in hot water, but with care. Now it's time to toss that towel in the machine. But wait, don't mix it with colored clothes. Wash white towels separately, using hot water, a good detergent, 1/2 cup of white vinegar, which is optional for freshness and softness. No fabric softener. It can trap stains. No bleach unless absolutely necessary. It weakens the fabric over time. Hot water, pressure, and the earlier treatment? That's your rescue squad. Step 5. Sniff test and air dry. Once it's washed, don't immediately dry it in the dryer. Why? Because heat can lock in stains that weren't fully removed. Instead, air dry it. And here's your moment of truth. When you hold it up to the light, does it look brand new again? If the stain is gone, you've done it. If a shadow remains, repeat the pre-treatment process one more time. Sometimes stubborn makeup needs 2 rounds. Just like life, right? It takes more than one try to truly clean things up. Bonus tip: prevent future stains before they happen. Here's something few people talk about. Prevention. Designate a dark towel for makeup days. Or better yet, use makeup remover pads or cloths before touching your white towels. Another hack? Use a small hand towel to blot your face before drying with your big, fluffy white towel. It's a tiny shift in habit, but can save you from so much regret later. But why do we care so much about white towels? Why not just buy new ones, right? Because they aren't just towels. They're part of our self-care ritual, our quiet moments, our little luxuries. Saving one towel may seem small, but it's symbolic. It's about not giving up on something just because it looks ruined. It's about second chances. And the peace of knowing you can clean up even the biggest messes with the right tools and patience. From stained to saved, you did that. So next time you see a makeup stain on your towel, don't panic. Breathe, act, treat, rescue. because behind every ruined towel is a comeback story. If this helped you rescue your towel or sanity, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We bring you solutions that not only work, but feel good to follow. And don't forget to click the link below for your free top 10 cleaning products list and your free emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll get access to our free community